We've got mostly upside. In fact, looks like all upside, just a question of degree on our screens this week for the CVOL report, including our top 3 gaining every day of the week, which is interesting and unusual. We'll start with the Treasury yield volatility, always the highest number on our board at a 107 as we're kicking off the show, up about 2 1/3 points just today. That is the high for the week, the low 97.61, so nearly a 10-point range for Treasury yield vol this week, also gaining every day this week, which is interesting. Below it, we have the aggregate metals CVOL. I have a feeling we'll be coming back to metals vol in a little bit. That's at about a 21 1/4, up about 0.2 of a point today. That is the high for the week, the low 17.43. This is a huge range for the metals, nearly 4 points in metals vol on the week. That's a lot of juice. Also gaining every day this week, which is rare. And then below it, we have the Treasury price volatility, the lowest number on our board, 5.71, up about 0.13 today. Gaining every day this week. That is the high for the week, the low 5.15. So our top 3 here, gaining every day and having pretty impressive ranges on the week as well. Let's add in number 4, not gaining every day, but almost every day this week. It is the FX vol. That's looking a little frothy right now, 8.62, up 0.11 today. FX vol usually hangs out around a 6, so 7 maybe, so 8.6 is nothing to sneeze at. That is the high for the week, the low 8.08. So far, we're 4 for 4, pinning the needle to the upside on the vol front. Then below it, we have the aggregate ag CVOL, 19.5 right now, off about a 1/3 of a point today. Coming off the high for the week, which was 19.83 yesterday, the low 18.82, so a 1.01 point range on the week, hanging out towards the upper portion of that range right now. Below it, we have the aggregate commodities CVOL, 34.11, off about half a point today. The high was actually yesterday, 34.59, and the low, 33.23. And then at the bottom of our list, we have the aggregate energy CVOL, 47.60 right now, off about half a point today. This one was losing pretty much every day this week, with the exception of yesterday. And the high was 48.11 yesterday, and the low was 46.42.